Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Pesta. In this video, I am going to show you how to embed YouTube video on Excel. Some people would like to embed the YouTube video on their Excel sheet. Microsoft Excel don't have the default feature, but some add-in helps to embed the YouTube video on Excel. Let's learn how you can set up this. In your Excel sheet, you have to go to Insert. Here you have to click on the add-in. Then you have to click on the Get Add-in. It will be open the Office add-in window. Then you have to search YouTube. Then you have to install the web video player. So you have to click on the add to install. Now the video player has been installed. Now you have to copy the YouTube URL, paste it here. If you would like to enable the autoplay, you have to enable this. You can also set up the other features. Then you have to set video. Now your YouTube video has been embedded in your Microsoft Excel. So in this way you can embed the YouTube video on Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.